In front of me is LENOVO Yoga Tab 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Bluetooth in Wireless and Networks section. Then use this switcher at the top to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this gear next to connected device and hit Forget. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!